Hello and welcome back to the channel. Have you guessed where I am today? If not, I've just got off the boat and I'm on La Gomera. I'm going to take a trip right over to the west coast, grab some dinner, hopefully pick out a few spots along the way. Time dependent because we've just had quite a big delay on the ferry coming over here, so that's eating away at our time. But if you'd like to come along, jump on the passenger seat and I'll take you all for a ride. Coming through one of the many tunnels now which you'll find on La Gomera. Cutting through, saving you riding right around the edge of the cliff where the old roads used to take you. Coming into the first major town now along the route. As you can see, multicoloured buildings scattered across the side of the hills. A lovely quiet village. Banana plantations all around the side of the village. Plenty of flowers in bloom as well. Palm trees are plenty. Yeah, great shot of El Teide in there over to the right hand side. So here we are at our first stop, which is the Mirador de Abrante, and as you can see there is absolute amazing views of the Teide on Tenerife, all the way down the hillside there to Aguilo at the bottom. There's like a Mars-like landscape here, it's just absolutely phenomenal. And as you can see over there, there's the viewing platform where you can walk out and get a picture. But so far La Gomera has not disappointed. The roads are absolutely superb and this is a must-stop place if you're over on La Gomera. It's an absolutely crazy landscape here in La Gomera. With every twist and turn in the road, there is always something different to see. Further back there was farming and very lush landscapes. Then you come out of a tunnel and you're hit with a brutal rock face. Welcome to Vallehermoso, and as you can see behind me there's an absolutely amazing wooden sculpture. I was here a couple of years ago. There was a wicker woman on this site which was absolutely superb, but this is equally as good. And as you can see, what a location this is. The mountains here all around, the town down there, and just unbelievable roads, mile after mile. It is absolutely superb. What is not to like about La Gomera? I certainly can't find it. As you can see, once again, the landscape has changed. We're now in lush forests, very similar to the Hermigua region on Tenerife. The last time I rode on La Gomera, this area here was quite greasy on the road. That was due to the low cloud level. The air was just covered with a thick mist, but it did affect riding conditions, so you had to take those into consideration. There's an absolutely spectacular viewpoint here just ahead, which looks down over Valle Gran, and that's somewhere you must pull in and take 5 minutes to appreciate the views. Well, I promise you an absolutely spectacular view if you pulled into this viewpoint. There you have it. What view down the valley there, all the way down to the sea and Valle Gran. Well, if you like spectacular scenery and spectacular roads on your motorcycle tours, La Gomera has got everything you need. We've arrived in Valle Gran. It's time to get some food and drink, and then we'll hit the road back towards San Sebastian, take a slightly different route back, and enjoy the best of what La Gomera has to offer. So we're leaving Valle Gran now. We've just had a lovely huevos turcos and a nice coffee at Maitia Cafe, I think it is called. That was really nice. So we've now got the journey back over to San Sebastian, and we're going to take a slightly different route this time. So we're making our way back now to San Sebastian. We're about the middle of the island now in La Gomera. As you can see, there's a huge rock formation there behind me. The next section of road is my absolute favourite on La Gomera. It's so fast and flowing. It's so much fun to ride your bike on. Well, as you can see, there's a great shot of Teide there over on Tenerife. We're just riding down now towards San Sebastian, which you can see in the distance. For the last few kilometres, looking out over the sea and over to Tenerife and the Vallehermoso, down there into San Sebastian itself. This really is a great way to end the ride. Plenty of switchbacks, but with great visibility all the way down the road and some superb viewpoints. So we're just getting back into San Sebastian now. It has been an absolutely superb day's riding. La Gomera is such a biker's paradise. You really cannot go wrong over here. This is a place you must visit if you're ever over on Tenerife or in the Canary Islands. Make that extra journey and just come over to this island. You will not regret it, I promise you that. If at all possible, I would highly recommend taking 2 days on La Gomera. The 2 times which I've visited, it has only been a day trip, but you really are restricted on time. You have to get around the island fairly quickly, but it doesn't allow much time to stop off in places. So if you can, take an overnight stop and really enjoy this place. If you've been lucky enough to experience riding over on La Gomera, drop a comment below and let me know your favourite area or your favourite road or viewpoint. Make sure you leave enough time to visit San Sebastian, jump off the bike, have a walk up and down the streets and visit some of the historic locations here. There really is so much history and it is such a lovely place to have a look around. If you're thinking of visiting La Gomera and would like any information on the places I visited or any tips, drop a comment below and I will get back to you. I really hope you've all enjoyed the video. Please like, comment and subscribe below. Remember to keep it shiny side up. And I'll see you all in the next one.